Hi everyone, and welcome to day 7 of your core challenge. Awesome job if you've been with me all 6 days so far, so you're ready for day 7, and happy Sunday if you've been with me Monday through Sunday. If not, it's totally fine. Remember, you can do these videos at any time. You can make the exercises harder by progressing the movements, and then you can also repeat the video more than once to challenge yourself. So let's get started on this last day. My idea is that you're probably sore. You have noticed different muscles in your body than you normally do, and that's awesome and great. All right, guys, let's do this. High plank, top of a push-up for me, step it back. Engage your stomach here, feel your chest lift from the ground and press your heels really, really firmly back. Good, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and pull your right knee to your chest. You're gonna curl up, and you're gonna tap. So you're gonna lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap. Good. 4, tap, 3, tap, 2, tap, 1, hold it and step it back. Good. Knee to chest. Tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift. Good. 4, up, 3, up, 2, up, 1, hold it. Good. Step back. Super strong. Stay there. 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down. Nice job, guys. Now you're going to take those hands right here by your sides where they landed. You're going to inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Strong push with one leg. Plank. Come all the way down. Good. Lift up, lower. One leg, big push. Yeah, all the way down. Good. Up, down. One leg, press, come down. Good. Back extension, lower, single leg, press. One more each side. Press up, down, single leg, push, down. Last time. Up, down, single leg, press, down, hold. Good job, guys. Flip on over to your backs from there. Nice job. Should feel good and warm. And then I want you to carefully cross the right leg over the left. And you're going to take your arms, you're going to cross the right arm under the left. So you can hold your shoulders or cross forearms. It's called eagle pose in yoga. All right? I'll show you with crossed arms. We're going to crunch up. We're going to extend. We're going to crunch up. We're going to extend. Good. 8. Out. 7. Feel that crunch. 6. Good. 5. 4 more. 4. Release. 3. Good job. 2. You have 1 more. Hold it in. 3, 2, 1. Release. Good. Switch arms. So opposite leg on top for me. Left arm under for me and hold. Good. On your time, go ahead. Lift up. Take a deep breath in. And now reach and come up. Reach, come up. Good. 8, up. 7, up. 6, up. 5, lift. 4, lift. 3, come on, guys. 2, come up. 1 more. And up. Good. Now, what we've done is we've kind of like added that compression, which made that a little bit harder. Next movement here, couple parts. Legs up, please. Hands behind your head. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, come up. Twist to one side. Center. Twist aside, 2. Center. Now, you're going to lower both legs. Hold. Bring them up. Put your head down. So it's a crunch. Twist. Center, twist, center, head is still up, lower, and then lift. Good. Crunch to twist, bring it up, crunch to twist, bring it up, lower and hover, bring it up, put your head down. Let's do 2 more. Crunch up, twist to one side, bring it back, twist to the second side, bring it back, lower both legs, and then bring it back up. Head comes down. Good. Crunch up, twist, center, crunch up, twist,
center, lower those legs, hover, hover, bring them up. Good, head comes down, hug your knees in. Give yourself a little rock, those were hard. Now, raise your hips up to the sky here for a little bridge pose. So what this does, it releases some of the work in the body, but it also starts to tone the glutes, which are part of your core. All right, so you want to squeeze your inner thighs super tight. We're going to extend one leg straight out in front of us. Good, hold, and you should feel the stabilization through your stomach. 4, 3, come on guys, squeeze those legs. 2, release and switch. Now notice we barely did just like straight sit-ups and crunches for these 7 days. Notice how much you really pushed yourself. 3, 2, 1. Good, back to side 1 and hold. 4, make it harder, pull the leg away. 3, 2, bring the leg back, down. Last time, reach out and hold. Reach the leg away if you want. 3, 2, bring it back. Both feet down, lift higher, and then come on down. Good job, guys. All right, you're gonna go ahead and rock up to seated from here. Moving into boat, you're gonna lean your chest back, pick up your feet. Good, super strong, hold. Chest is elevated. Now, we visited this pose a few times, but you can notice maybe you can start to extend those legs out. You can get longer. You can lift your arms. You can feel more effort. 4, good. 3, super strong. 2, halfway down, hover. This is the hard part. Chin is tucked. Make it harder. Arms over your head. 4, 3, 2, come all the way up. Straight legs, straight legs. Nice job. Flip it on over. All right, guys, let's get this day 7 finished here. So you're gonna lower to those forearms slowly. You're gonna step it back to plank. You're gonna lift your stomach up away from the ground, and you're gonna reach your chest forward, okay? We're gonna tap the right hand to the right, the left foot to the left. So it's out, down, out, down, out, down. Good, out. 3 more. 1, together. 2, together. 3, together. 4, hold. Good job, super strong. Now side 2, so it's out and in, out and in. Your core is stabilizing. Good, let's do 4. For 4, together. 3, together. 2, together. 1, hold. 4, 3, 2, and release your knees. Good, straighten your arms here for me to finish. Step back, 10-second hold. 10, 9, 8, side plank on the right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, right hand, scissor the feet, reach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, side plank on the left. You got it. 10, 9, forearm plank. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, forearm plank. It's easy, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, right forearm and go. 10, 9, we got one more side, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, left forearm, yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, high plank where we started. Woo, and you're done. Good job, guys. You killed those 7 days. You killed this last 7 day. It's hard. Awesome job. I would love your feedback. Let me know how you feel stronger, how you feel like you're more aware of your body, and way to work. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please feel free to share this challenge with others and enjoy it. See you guys.